Hiya, I'm SpongeBob. And guess what? Sora 2 just launched, and it's absolutely insane.
Sora 2 is also the state-of-the-art for motion, physics IQ, and body mechanics.
Now I'll show you how this system works. Step by step, you'll see how it looks whether you're in India or anywhere else, and I'll talk about how people typically receive and use invitations.
Firstly, if you're not in the United States or Canada, availability can vary. Some people use VPNs to reach services from other regions. For this demo, I'll be using a commonly available
Hotspot Shield VPN because it is free. Head to the Chrome and search for temp mail. And after that, open this site. Then, this site will generate a temporary email which you can use for temporary purpose. Now you have to open this and connect it. After this, open Chrome in guest mode and search for Sora.com. This website will open. Click Login from the top. Click the Login again. Now at the sign-up page, enter the email you got from Temp Mail and put a strong 12-digit pass. After this, verify the one-time pass from Temp Mail. Fill the information, and you will reach this page. Click the Enter Invite Code. Now, I will tell you how to get you invitation link. Go to the Discode, click the Discovery button, and search for OpenAI. Join the OpenAI server and go over to the Sora tab. Here people are sharing their invite code. Just copy the code, paste it in Sora 2, and you are done. After getting in, please share your code in the OpenAI server so others can use. So this all about Sora 2 and how to get invite code. If you have any query or facing any problem, do tell me in the comment. I'll suggest a solution. That's it, folks. Time to dive into the next adventure. Till then, bye-bye.